Is that eyebrow on fleek or not?
I'm gonna go with or nah, just because you said it like that.
Oh.
Your browies are not wowie.
Quit being me. Hi, welcome back. I'm Cher.
And I'm Megan.
Today we're doing the alphabet challenge, makeup challenge. So you're supposed to do your makeup in alphabetical order. So instead of doing your primer first and your foundation first, you would do your blush and your bronzer first and then go from there. So are you ready to start?
I don't know about this, but
I'm like super nervous. Okay, so first we have to start with our blush.
I barely ever put blush on my face.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it a little like more than what I normally would, so that way
you can see it through the rest of the stuff.
Oh honey, oh Lord, okay. Look at this. I look like I have a sunburn.
Yeah, you do.
Next is bronzer. Oh my Lord. So I'm gonna actually, like, when I do my bronzer, I contour a little bit with it. So I'm gonna just do a little bit of contouring bronzer, so. Oh my God, this looks so horrible. They're gonna think I don't know how to do makeup. Be like, we're watching her wine.
Ooh. That really went on that side.
So next we're doing concealer.
God, I look crazy.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
Can I match you?
No, I do my concealers a little darker, brighter. Oh no.
I do mine brighter.
Okay, and then I'm gonna put the CoverGirl Outlast All Day on top. I already look like crazy.
Yeah. Look like a clown.
You know what? I'm gonna use the little beauty blender.
Oh, I don't have mine. That actually would have probably helped a lot.
I'm gonna put it on my eyelids as well. Who thought of this? And why are we doing it? Oh, so that, okay, I don't look too bad. So after concealer, we have contouring. So even though I already put my bronzer on, I just want my foundation is gonna be crazy.
Oh yeah. I think I pretty much hit all the spots, right?
Mm-hmm. We're gonna do a chicken foot right there. That's what we're calling it. Looks like I got a chicken foot.
That'll be good for now.
Not as bad as I thought it was gonna look. It looks a lot better than I thought.
That wasn't.
Okay, so eyebrows. I don't know. I'm gonna use this, but it's gel.
What do you say? Should I leave them this dark?
They're not even dark.
Who's talking about this one?
Oh.
Ay. What are we gonna do with you?
We're like super quiet. We're
Yeah,
concentrating.
we're looking like, what the heck is going on?
We're concentrating. Is that eyebrow on fleek or not?
I'm gonna go with or nah, just
No?
because you said it like that.
Oh.
Your browies are not wowie.
Quit being mean. The next thing is eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna do like a pinky purple, I guess.
No, you cannot match.
So after that, we're gonna take a bright yellow and do it pretty much in the same place, but a little bit lower. Next, oh Lord, next is our foundation. It's like covering all my contour up though now. I don't have any color whatsoever anymore. I was looking like a bronzy queen. Now I'm looking like I'm dead. So next we're highlighting. We're gonna go over the top a little bit with this. Oh, whoa. You didn't mean to do that. Spoke too soon. Spoke way too soon. Next is mascara. She's a little behind, but I'm gonna do my under eyes while she's doing that. So now we're doing our mascara. Next is powder. So next is primer. So for the primer, instead of doing my usual like lotion one pack primer, I'm gonna do my spray primer.
Oh, this is not gonna be fun. I think I might steal that one. Oh, I don't know if that one was much better.
Then we're doing our setting spray. So this one I made. This one has, I mixed BH Cosmetics in it, and then I have, it's called Prima. I think that's how you say it. And it's like a hydrating toner in it and stuff, and setting spray. So I ended up making it so it's not the Wet n Wild one. So this is my finished look.
We can't tell if them are freckles or...
This is her finished look.
I don't think it came out that bad though.
No, they didn't come out as bad as I thought. So thank you for watching. If you guys have any other challenges or video ideas you want me to do or her to do or us to do, let us know in the comments down below, and we'll see you in our next video.